guys, and welcome back to Things Tina Does. Today I am in the mood for fajitas, and I like to make my own seasoning blend. So we're going to jump right into it. Into our little bowl is going to go cornstarch, chili powder, make sure we get it all now, salt, paprika, a teensy bit of coconut sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne, a little bit, and cumin. And then it is that easy, guys. One of the reasons, I did want to mention this, one of the reasons that I love to make my own blends is because this way I can control the amount of salt that goes into the blends. Unfortunately, when you buy blends or packets of seasoning, there's a lot of salt in there, guys. I mean, a high level of sodium. And this way I can control how much sodium or salt goes into my blends. Then, you know, I'm always telling you, save your little jars. Looky there, and I've labeled it Fajita Blend Seasoning and have my funnel in it all ready to go. Oh, you guys, these spices smell so good all together. And there we have it. I can't wait to use this tonight for fajitas. Well, you guys, give this a try and let me know what all you are using it on, because that sounds amazing. And I'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.